Hey guys, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, we went and completed Fort Kronos Battalia, and we did more exploring at Kogar Refinery in order to find a new infobot for Jawai Resort Pokitaru. So, in this episode, we're going to go visit the Jawai Resort, and we're going to see if we can have a little bit of fun. I'll meet you guys there. So this doesn't look as peaceful as the intro looked like, but yep. So let's visit the Gadgeton vendor and see what we have. Oh, we got the decoy glove, and we also got the Visibomb gun.
Oh, that's a nice one.
I think I'm going to get the decoy glove. It'll be used for something later, but not for quite a while later. I just like to have it on hand. So, if we look at the map, not too big of an area, but still big nonetheless. So let's visit this guy from the infobot.
Hey, you two are the first friendly faces I've seen in weeks. You are friendly, aren't you?
To you, yes. To him, no.
Well, friend, have I got a deal for you? Since the Blarg began dumping their toxic sludge into our ocean, the wildlife has,
Become ravenous mutants?
yes, you could say that. All my customers either left or became lunch. So I'm closing the place down. However, I just so happen to have one, count 'em one, O2 mask left.
How much?
It's not for sale.
But you said...
I said I had a deal, and indeed I do. You boys get rid of those Blarg ships, and it's yours. Just escort me to the other end of this resort, and you can use our jet fighter.
Jet fighter, eh? All right. But you better not try to stiff us.
Oh god, there's an escort mission. But guess what? He's not completely useless. At least I don't think so. I don't remember this escort mission very well because, let's just be honest, most of us are not a fan of escort missions, especially games where the entire premise of the game is an escort mission. I mean, there are some games that do it alright. Specifically like The Last of Us, Bioshock Infinite. I mean, Elizabeth is probably the best person to be on an escort mission with, because she will grab you things and get your stuff and all that, and she's a lot of fun to be around because she's just such a pile of joy in this place that should be devoid of all joy, and yeah, it's a lot of fun, but Bioshock Infinite might not be a game that I'll play on this. Mainly because I could not get into it. Like, I like the game, I like the characters, but something about it just made me feel off, and I just didn't feel compelled to complete it. And I'm only going to play games on here that I like and I can get through and stuff like that. And Bioshock Infinite just isn't one of those games. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, it's just really strange. But yep. Can I destroy this box, please? Okay, there we go. So we're just going to continue on our escort mission. And just read it 2 words. Oh, we got some bolts around here. So, real quick. Oh, come on. And you gotta start back at the beginning. So I'll meet you guys back there. Like I was saying about escort missions, I'm not particularly a fan of them, but like I said, if you pit me with the right person to escort, then I'll be okay with it. Yep. So yep. Let's just keep destroying stuff, beating up the new fish, all stuff in the normal day of Jack and Daxter, or Ratchet and Clank. My God, I cannot get off Jack and Daxter. I mean, I love that game series to death, but my God, I need to start focusing on the game series I'm playing. Speaking of the game series I'm playing at hand, something I really like about Ratchet and Clank is the fact that you go to a new planet, and even though some of them seem kind of similar, like they're just different enough to feel like their own separate entities. Like, you don't want to feel like you're going to the same planet all the time with the same old stuff, but just the way that the coloring is, the way that the landscape is made, it just feels like you're going to somewhere new. And it's really cool. So let's keep moving. We got the path falling over. This is pretty cool. I kind of like that. Blow up these boxes, kill the fish. You guys know the drill. Ready? Push this button, and it creates this really cool looking bridge. Oh my gosh, you've gotta be kidding me. Killing more fish. Really wasn't that hard to get back up there. I just went back to where the don't know what exactly you'd call it, the water skier thing that we went on. Yep, very easy.
We're here.
Alrighty.
Now where's that fighter?
Right there in that locked garage. One tourist crashes a jet, and wham! Lawsuit.
That lock is unlike any I have seen.
Very astute observation, Mr. Shiny. I can't open it either. I don't trust the tourist, and the board of directors don't trust me. So we have a little problem.
We have a little problem. I just want the O2 mask. So if you can't open up the lock, that's your problem. Now cough up the mask.
Well, I can see that you really wanted to fly our jet. So I'll tell you what. Go talk to Bob at his Robo Shack. He knows about these locks.
Alrighty, so we get swindled again. My God, how many times do we gotta get swindled throughout this entire game? But anyway, let's go to Bob and his Robo Shack.
Well, what do we got here? Hey, watch it. I recognize that work. Y'all been to Seattle, ain't you?
Yeah, he installed the helipack.
I can see that. I taught that idiot brother of mine everything he knows. Look, if you want some real hardware, I can fix this little feller up with a thruster pack. Ooh.
Will it help us get past that weird lock by the fighter garage?
Ah, you know about those gizmos, huh? Well, it sure as heck will. It's got a real special power slam move built right in.
It's a good thing I need this to get to that jet, or you'd be out of luck, pal.
Alrighty, we'll pay 2,000 volts.
I've got it. I'll have you fixed up faster than a horny toad a-hopping. Well, there you are, little buddy. Better than new. That's right. I am the man.
Yeah, not bad.
Your thruster pack includes the new Power Slam feature. Just press the R1 button during a jump to enjoy your new destructive capabilities.
There we go. Let's fly the plane.
The machine guns and press the circle button to fire up the missiles. To go faster, hold down the X button.
So we're just gonna flying and shooting. Like that. Some more missiles. Just gotta destroy the centipede like monsters.
Shoot down small enemy ships to get more missiles.
I think we pretty much figured that out. Alrighty. One ship down. I wonder, where's our health bar? See the bar? There's some health. I still can't find our health bar. If any of you know where our health bar is, please let me know, because, I mean, it doesn't look like I'm in any bad shape, but, I mean, still, I just want to know where that is. Alright, well, let's destroy the last one. Let's shoot the hell out of it with missiles. Oh, I see it now. There we go. Mission completed.
Well, I guess that should do it. Here you go.
It's about time.
The O2 mask allows you to breathe underwater, in poisonous atmospheres, or even in outer space. It will auto-equip when you need it.
Alrighty. So, now that we can use the O2 mask, I think we're going to end it off here. So, next time on Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we're going to explore more of this planet, and then we're going to go back to the other planet that we couldn't explore, Roxxon, I think it was? Orxon. Close enough. And we're going to explore more of that planet and see what it has to offer. So, if you like this part, like, comment, subscribe. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a great day.